Cooking someone's goose. Unraveling idioms in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, cook someone's goose. If you're eager to expand your English idioms knowledge and learn how to use them in everyday conversations, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression and discover its origins, meaning, and usage. The phrase, cook someone's goose, is an idiom that means to ruin someone's plans, spoil their chances, or ensure their defeat. It's often used in situations where someone's actions lead to the inevitable failure of another person. But don't be misled by the literal words. No cooking or geese are involved in the actual use of this expression. Tracing back to historical Europe, the phrase, cook someone's goose, has a colorful history. While its exact origins are a bit murky, it's believed to be centuries old, with some tales linking it to medieval times. The idiom might have started from literal instances where cooking someone's goose could signal an end to something, evolving into the metaphorical usage we know today. To help you grasp how to use cook someone's goose in real-life scenarios, let's look at some examples. When she found out he was planning to sabotage her presentation, she decided to cook his goose by reporting him to the manager. He thought he could win the race by cheating, but the strict supervision cooked his goose. These examples show how the idiom can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the action of spoiling or thwarting someone's plans. Idioms are a spice of language, adding flavor to our conversations. When using cook someone's goose, or any idiom, context is key. Ensure that the situation is appropriate for idiomatic expressions, and remember, idioms often carry a more informal tone. Practice by incorporating them into your spoken and written English in relevant scenarios. Thank you for joining us to explore the idiom, cook someone's goose. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, origins, and usage of this expression, enriching your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Keep practicing, and don't let anyone cook your goose as you journey through the world of English idioms.